da 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 Clam in the water. I was put in the water because some clam has sand inside for 5 hours in the water. Here, and put in a pan. Just a second.
So where do you get the clams?
Clam? I think you can get any place. I got that from the Nijiya Japanese grocery store, though, but Whole Foods or some fish store. Turn on the stove, adjust the lid, and you can just wait. They can tell. They can tell you it's time. They can tell you it's time. During I'm waiting, I'm gonna cut scallion for the garnish. And what we need is just soy sauce, regular soy sauce, not seasoned, regular soy sauce and butter. Do you hear the sound? Did you hear that? Yeah, that quick. Anyway, we need a very, very boil. Inch of the butter. And put just a little bit. That's half teaspoon, I would say. And turn off. That's it. Really yummy. Yes, beautiful. I put here into the bowl.
So good.
Yeah.